Hi, I'm Ashley Whiteley, Superintendent of Lakota Local Schools, and I'm here at Lakota West High School in a contemporary cuisine class. As an adult, I'm constantly watching the Food Network and the Cooking Channel, and one of the television shows is Chopped, where people are given a mystery basket with secret ingredients and they have to concoct a meal out of what's in that basket. I can't wait to see what they're cooking up, so let's go, Lakota.
Gotta be able to go exotic and find ways to make your dish unique.
So I've got a burger. Are these like caramelized onions?
Yes.
That looks yummy. Now where are the beans?
The beans, they are...
Oh, okay, that's gonna be the side. I've never met a bean I didn't like.
Made to go with flour, egg, and the mashed potatoes.
Now did you learn how to do that in this class, or did you already know how to do that?
I just know.
Okay, you're like, I just know.
The gnocchis are underneath here,
Okay.
so it's gonna be pretty and yummy.
Cajun curry.
Wait a minute. Cajun curry.
Pepper pretzel.
Pepper. Say that. That's like Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. I can smell the curry. That's looking cheesy and good. Okay, so we got green beans, and I see potatoes. Turkey bacon.
45 seconds, guys. Gotta get it on the table.
What group are you looking at the most fondly right now?
Okay, so there's a group in the back, and they made homemade gnocchi.
The gnocchi is incredible. Like, light, fluffy, excellent.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up off the plate.
Don't be touching the plate. Look at that char.
For baking and pastry.
Color means flavor.
It's a curry spice, so there's a lot going on. I like it.
I like that you get dessert with this one. Like you get the meal and dessert. Oh, look at that cook. Oh, good. That is amazing. Everything tasted fabulous. Your judges had compliments. Your broadcasters have compliments. But ultimately, it's a competition, and somebody has to win from those baskets. And that is Kitchen 5 with their homemade gnocchi. We were cooking up a storm here at Lakota West in contemporary cuisine. Our students were super impressive from their technical skills, their flavor profiles, their creativity, their presentation, not only in presenting their recipes, but on the plate. In my cookbook, everybody was a winner.